Well, all right. There's crap in the way here. Yeah, whatever. We'll do it later. All right. Well, it's fine. Minor bleeding. It's okay. Welcome, everyone, to the Good Enough Garage. It's kind of the first video that we're putting together. I say we. It's just me right now. But I got a buddy. He might have seen his Instagram page. Good Enough Welding. Kind of doing a little bit of this stuff together, sometimes apart. You know, we figure it out. But most of my welding has been that. And just trying to, get stuff built, do things, grind things, weld, dad stuff, board dads. You know, that's what we're doing. You got the housewives, they drink wine. This is our wine. This is what we do. And we also drink, but mostly beer, so it's fine. So yeah, we're gonna be putting some YouTubes on the YouTubes and things like that. So yeah, that's a basic little introduction. Good enough. Okay, so like this is my truck. It's a 52 Ford pickup. Yeah, I'll give you a little walk around. This is my truck. Well, that's the back of my truck. Let's go to the front. Is that, fuel tank, rear end, it is what it is. Interior so far. There you go. Got a 2012 Coyote. It's in there. It's doing stuff. It runs now. Still a work in progress. Working on the bed. Did a custom bed frame. It's got some primer on it now. Looks like rust. It's supposed to. It's all right. So that's one of the things I'm going to do today is coat that black so I can put it over there. I got some wheels on it. And I've done a little bit of interior. Got some Dakota digital gauges. Cheapy steering wheel because I know it's not the best steering wheel, but this is the steering wheel, same steering wheel I had in the first truck I ever had. And then I had a 77 pickup, put the same steering wheel in it. So why not keep it going, So that's what I did. Minimal exhaust. It's pretty noisy. That's all right. I dig it. Lincoln Versailles rear end. Rotors that are brakes that are a pain in the ass to get parts for that I didn't know at the time when I bought the rear end, but that's fine. We're working through it. Tank sink tank. You can see part of my drive shaft's dubbed out there. We've got to build the other half to come out here, but it's got the 6-speed manual from the Mustang. Battery doing, battery things. It's fine. This is the parts department in the tool room over there. That's toolboxes there, so also I guess tool room. Workbench. It's got stuff on it. There's a seat over there. It's going to go in the truck. It's out of a '99 Nissan Frontier. What else? Camper, dog. There's Tucker. Say hi, Tucker. Nope, Tucker's very scared. He doesn't know what's happening. Why did y'all scare him? What did you do? He doesn't know. Okay, we're gonna go put the other people away. Let's get the music going. Figure out how to work devices. Alrighty, music. Start the music over. I like weird music. Making a nice money shot right here. Try to get the boob shaking. Like that cook lady with the low-cut shirt that's always stirring stuff. Love that show. It's probably good. Probably not. It's fine. Make it work. In case anybody's wondering, I'm using Ace Hardware oil-based enamel tractor paint. I wonder if I should put other gloves on. That's probably a good idea. Hey, here's a video of an old guy putting gloves on. Yeah, it's gonna be a hit on YouTube. 80 million views of a guy putting a glove on. I wonder if my wife's laughing at me right now. My wife's working. We both work from home. She's in there, she's working. Her window's like right over there. She can see me. She's probably laughing at me. Okay, let's do this test. Black, here we go. So most of y'all can probably see on this truck, I'm not going for perfection. I just want to make a lot of noise. grandmas out on the front porch shaking their fist at me and make babies cry because it's too loud. That's what I want. Not my baby, because I've got a grandkid. I don't want her crying. Now what are we listening to? I apologize for all the other ambient noises. It's like 3,000 degrees here right now. It's like working on the surface of the sun. I don't know what the song is. Let's see what else we got. Be a good place for a time lapse. Maybe we do some wiring. Let's try that. Don't need that box. Coming right at you. Whoa! Actually going over here. All right, let's see if I did this right. I want to move the OBD2 port. Let's see how possible that's going to be. Move you, because you don't need to be back here. You, y'all, I don't know. Whatever you call the YouTube audience. Insta, whatever. Insta poop. How's that look? Just a touch. Going right there. And we're wobbling. All right, cool. Let's move this back out of the way. Coming through. Let's get you in here so you can see what's going on. Oh, whoa, whoa. Watch your step there, bud. There's the hood. Super up close. Okay. So. These are not conducive for looking in the dark. Cool. So I mean, cut deep enough when you got like all the conductors of the wires showing, all the metal bits. The best way to do it is to just leave it powered up so it just shocks the piss out of you. Or it shorts everything out if it's digital, like this is. Either way, you want to make sure you really get in there with a razor blade. Okay, what do we do here? What's happening? What do we got? That's a This tape, great, cool, love it. This isn't even shielded. Like, what did I get shielded cable for? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. So what do we have for colors there? Take a little sample piece. See what we have for colors. We'll let go. Thank you. So if you've never done shielded wire before, this is the jacket. You get this little guy, that's your shield conductor that goes to ground, and this is actual just like tinfoil junk that works to shield it from other electrical noise. Airplanes use it a lot, use it in fire alarm and security. We'll cut all the foil and crap off for the moment. Alright, then we'll check our colors, see what our best bet is. So, the green. Okay. That'll be fine. We got a red. That's easy. Red to red and black to one of these blacks. I'm assuming they're both. And both of these go to the same. No, two different pins. Just kidding. They're probably both grounds. So let's do. Get something to write on. Alright, so where did this go? Let's go back up here. So red to red, that's easy. So we got connector and the cable. We're gonna go red to red, sure. And then green, white to green, right? Sure. Sounds good. Actually, let's go green and white to white. We're gonna go green, red to green. Sure wish that would stop falling. So that's 1, 2, 3. So purple, well, that should go to blue, right? Makes sense. Okay. Lost a battery there at some point. I think I lost it as we were sourcing out what color was going to go where. Well, we got that sorted out. So now we're back here and we've cut something. How did we cut anything? Because I don't have any cutters. Anyway, what did I do with anything? All right, so you got to be careful when you're using a razor blade for this stuff. Otherwise, you lose a finger or whatever. That's my son-in-law how he knows. Although I don't think that was a razor blade. But anyways, moving on. So you're going to cut the little ground conductor off the shield. And since it turns out OBD2 wiring is not actually shielded, we're kind of doing overkill here. But that's okay. So we'll do that. Throw that away. I'm going to turn you just a little bit. Every good party starts with a nice pair of strippers. We're going to go ahead and strippy-do all of these. And this is supposed to be 18 gauge wire, so let's see. Yeah, 18 gauge stranded. Put this big roll of mess over here, out of the way. Be careful with the razor blades. That over there. Let's see if this is the same gauge. Oh, well, it'll actually be smaller. Sweet. Okay, that's all right. Well, you can go bigger. Can't go smaller. You know what? I don't know which one of these black wires is what now. Cool. Hopefully they're both grounds. Might have to double check that. Let me double check that before I commit. Alright. Back in a minute. Alright. And I'm back. Okay, I just double checked this. I'll show you what I did. I grabbed one of these black wires. Touched it to that guy. Oh, I put it on horseshoe mode. There we go. And we got 0.2 ohms. That's a ground for sure. And it's holding steady, so that's ground. As a comparison, let's get this little pink and green one. And it's kiloohm, it's doing all kinds of funky stuff. So that means it is not a ground. So that means those two black ones are ground. So they don't matter. Sweet. So these are little solder butt splices things. We use those on airplanes. I've been using them for a long time. Different version, but same basic thing. I like them. If you're not so good with soldering, if you can blow dry your hair, you can use a heat gun. All right, let's go red to red. So we're gonna slide this over. Hold it right there. Just do this. Is that gonna burn everything? We'll find out. I figure it gets pretty hot in there, so. No, that's a bad idea. Turn it off. Hold on there until a little solder starts to melt. There we go. Let that cool off. Lovely. Okay, first connection done. Let's go with the blue one now. Blue and purple, right? Is that right? Yeah? Alright. Okay. It goes to white. Green and white goes to white. Okay. Now we gotta get enough slack to run up the firewall. Luckily we've got 13 million feet here. 6, 12, let's do another 18 feet. Really hard to maneuver and manipulate. We're gonna go up there. I'm glad I picked white. It really makes the color pop. All this black wire everywhere. So far, this is going very smoothly. I just go ahead and throw some tape on this now? Is that the move? Is that what I should do? Looks like what I should do, right? Cool, let's do it. I like that idea. I'm angry. We'll come back with some wire loom here in a minute. now. This can go here. Will it fit? Oh yeah. That can go there. I don't need that ground anymore. Alright. Tie wrap time. Man, why did you let me get so much of this? It seems like a lot. Don't keep me straight here. I'm going down here. Put it in here. Shove this in this hole. Where are we? What are we doing here? What's going on? Look at here. Come on. Is it, you fading it? Is it going? Tell me if it's gonna get kinked up. Yeah? Alright, let me come check. I only do so much. That need you all to pull your weight around here. Are we there yet? I mean, what's happening? Good enough. That's how we roll around here. Is it great? Nope. It's good enough though. Okay. I think we're gonna stop there. I need to go put something in my gut. I think my stomach's starting to eat itself. I gotta be careful. I might start losing weight here. Can't have that. All right. See you in a bit. All right. And we're back. Had some shrimp Alfredo for lunch. Let's figure out a place to mount this. Keep going here. I think, I don't know if you can see this, but it's fine. We're gonna go like right there. So, cable's gonna have to come up there, around there, behind that, back up this way, behind the deal. Sure, that seems right. Of course I got nothing. Why would I have something to cut or mark with right now in my hand? Okay, where'd the strippers go? They're over there. Always losing my strippers everywhere I go. We get our piece of paper. Get our splicey thingies. Razor blade. You gotta be careful with razor blades. Yeah, good enough. Okay. Let's do this again. Now we're stripping. Okay. Stripped. Strip naked. Don't do that. The neighbors are gonna call the police on you. I mean, I don't know. I guess you're in your own backyard. Do what you want to do. Just don't, like, hope you don't have a chain link fence in your backyard that backs up to a school or something. That's happened before. Some dude sitting naked in his back patio around a bunch of kids. Anyway, So we're moving on. All right. What do we got? Let's get some heat shrink this time. Let's be a bit more proactive. Instead of amateur active, you know, it's different. It's, I don't know, feels like enough. Sure. Get some of that from the heat shrink station over there. Now we got the heat shrink. Let's not forget to put it on. Otherwise, what's the point? All right. So white is going to go open. White is going to go green with white. That's more better. All right, how about red? Red on red, right? Right. All right. Uno mas, which is Spanish for one mas. All right. Finito. Now, do we turn the key on? Make sure it works first? I think we do. Yep, I think we do. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. All right, back again. So now we got a red light. I don't know if that means stop. Turn that on. It's not blinking like it should. Might have screwed up. Haha. Okay. It's working. Okay. So it runs. It's good. That works. All right. Yay. I didn't ruin anything. All right, so we're gonna go up here, over this, around here, down here. Move! Jeez, stool. I'm like drilling holes in a 70-year-old dash. Yeah, it's even kind of hidden. It's there, but it's also hidden. some tie wraps again. Where are all those? Those are all over there. Okay. Maybe? Yep.